Changes around us. If a change can be reversed, it is called a reversible change. This means that it is possible to get the new object back into its original form. A reversible change can take place both ways. This change can be brought about by natural process as well as by human activities. Make a boat out of a sheet of notepaper. What you have to do is to change the shape of the sheet paper from a simple rectangle into a boat-like shape. You now want to make something else from the same sheet of paper. How can you do so? It is a simple, just unfold the paper and make an origami or aeroplane. In this way, you can change this boat back into a sheet of paper, then use it to make an aeroplane. Let us study some example of reversible change. Take a balloon and blow air into its mouth using mouth. Care should be taken that it does not burst. You notice that balloon changes the shape and size. Now let the air escape the balloon and notice it. The balloon regains the original shape. This type of change is called a reversible change. Take some flour and try to make dough. Take some dough and make a ball. Then try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball of dough again. This type of change is called a reversible change. Take a balloon and blow it to its size. Tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick it with the pointed tip of a pin. Oops, it's burst. It means it cannot regain the shape. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Will roti regain the original shape? No, it can't regain the original shape because it is an irreversible change. Suspend a rubber band and steel spring from separate hooks near a wall. Mark their position on the wall. Now add a weight of 100 grams to each. What do you see? The rubber band and the steel spring get stretched. The rubber band stretches more than the steel spring. Mark their new position on the. Remove the weights and observe. The rubber band and the steel band return to their original positions. You can conclude that the stretch of rubber band and steel spring is reversible change. Fix one end of a metal rod in a wall. Place a wooden block under the other hand. Put a needle between the metal rod and the wooden block. Stick a pointer on the needle as shown in the animation. On heating the metal rod, the pointer moves upward because particles of solid moves rapidly and expand the solids. On cooling, it moves downwards because particle of solid contact. This demonstrates solids also expand on heating and contact on cooling. Take water in a kettle. Place the kettle on a gas burner and wait for a few minutes till the steam comes out freely from its mouth. Water liquid state is changed into water vapor gaseous state. Place a few ice cubes on a frying pan and hold it in a slanting position as shown. You will notice that steam condenses to form droplets of water in the interstices of frying pan. These droplets of water trickle down the side of frying pan and then start falling down. Collect these droplets in a glass. Put the glass in a refrigerator. Water is converted to ice cube. Take some potassium permanganate and add it to some. The crystal of potassium permanganate disappears and water becomes purple colored. No solid crystal of potassium permanganate are seen there. The mixture thus obtain its solution. Heat the solution till the vapors come out and let the rest resultant. It will be observed that crystal of potassium permanganate reappear. Thus it can be said that it is an example of a reversible change.